Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will see how we can push or pull Docker images from the Docker Hub. So let's go ahead with the demo. So open up your command prompt like so. So currently I have this many images in my local system. So let's start with the push example, how we can push a local image to the remote repository, I mean the Docker Hub repository that we have just created. Let me open up the Docker Hub page also, just to be very clear. So this is my Docker Hub account, and these are the two repositories that I have. First one is demo repo and the second one is demo. So this is the repository, the first one which we have created in our last video tutorial. So I will click on it. So as you see, there are no Docker images in this repository. It is never been pushed with the Docker image, and the tags are all empty, as this message indicates clearly. So what we will do is we will basically get an image from our local repository, say Nginx latest one, and then we will push it to this repository called demo. So let's start. So the very first step in proceeding with the push command is basically we need to tag the image that we have. So to tag the image, the command goes like this. So here is the command to create a Docker tag. So the command goes like this: Docker tag source image, that is this one for our example. And then target image. Now the target image will be this one, which we can see here. In my case, this is Rajesh, dev Rajesh Bangera / demo, that is the repository name, and then the tag name, which we will create a new one. So here it goes, dev Rajesh / demo. So tag name, we can specify anything as a tag name, but in this example I will use an 1.0 as a tag name. Hit enter. There you go. You can see that I have tagged the image here. So I will use this image to push it to the Docker Hub account. Now before pushing it, one more steps needs to be done, that is you need to log into your Docker Hub in this console. How we will do is we have a command for it too. So the command is docker login. So it is using my existing credential here. Why? Because I have already logged into my Docker desktop tool. Let me show you. So if I open my Docker desktop application, you will see that I have already logged in this application, that is the tool. So it is using this credential in my command prompt. So what I will do is I will sign out from here. I have signed out, and then I will try Docker login. Now it is asking for username, basically the credentials. So I am inserting my credentials now. Now this credential is of Docker Hub, right? So here we go, login succeeded. Okay, now we can push this tagged image to our repository. So the command for pushing a Docker image to the Docker repository is simply docker push. Here we go. Also, just wanted to highlight that we can get the docker push command from our repository also. Let's go there. So this is our repository and this is the push command we need to use. So it says docker push my username slash repository names colon tag name. Tag name is the name that we have given here, that is 1.0. So we will use this command basically to push this docker image, right? So here we go. I will say enter. So as you can see that we have successfully pushed the docker image from our local system to the remote repository, that is Docker Hub repository. Let's verify that. So if we come to our Docker Hub account, or we can say the Docker Hub repository, just give it a refresh. So if you see here that there is this repository with the tag name as 1.0 which has been pushed a few seconds ago. So this confirms that our push operation has worked successfully. Now we will see how we can pull the image from this Docker Hub repository to our local system. So we are done with the push operation and it has successfully pushed the local Docker image to our newly created Docker repository. Now the second topic that we will do is basically we will pull this uploaded image in our local system. So before proceeding with that, we will clean up our local Docker images that we have. Just go to the command prompt like so, Docker images. We have this many images with us. We will clear this out. To remove a Docker image from our local system, we can use the command docker rmi, that is remove image. Which image I need to remove is this one. -F stands for force removal. So if you see that I only have a single image in my local repository, so this is basically the command to pull the Docker image from our repository. I will say enter. So as you can see, it is basically downloading the image from the remote repository. So as you can see that we have successfully downloaded the image from our Docker repository. Let's confirm. There you go, we have a new Docker image in our repository. Let's run this Docker image just to confirm it's working fine. So as you know, the command to run an image is docker run. I have assigned a name to my instance that will be running, that is my image, and then I have exposed a port, that is my local machine's port, with that of the container's port, and then -d stands for detached mode, and then the image name, or I can say the image ID that I want to execute. I will say enter. Okay, let's try some another name. We'll say enter. There you go. I will use docker ps command to verify that the container is running. Yes, so yeah, the container is running on port number 80. So this confirms that our downloaded docker image is working fine. So that's all from my side, guys, on how to push and pull docker images from Docker Hub. See you guys on next video. Bye.